Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash Dry Out. We will begin by understanding the fundamental mechanics. The cube requires precise jumps, often involving quick taps. For the ship, you will need to maintain steady flight through tight spaces. The ball mode introduces gravity changes, so practice flipping quickly. Mastering these three core elements is crucial for success in the level. Next, let's dive into specific challenges. In the cube sections, pay close attention to the triple spike jumps. Timing is everything. When you transition to the ship, you will encounter several narrow corridors. Keep your finger steady and make small, controlled adjustments. Remember to anticipate the sudden gravity changes that occur in some cube segments, requiring quick reactions to avoid obstacles. Now, let's tackle the ball and UFO parts. The ball mode demands very quick gravity flips, often in rapid succession. Practice these transitions until they feel natural. When you enter the UFO segment, you will need to tap rhythmically to control your altitude and navigate through obstacles. Always be vigilant for hidden spikes, especially during the fast-paced ball transitions, as they can be tricky. Finally, let's discuss the end game and practice strategies. The final stretch of Dry Out features rapid transitions between the cube and ship, demanding consistent focus. Utilize practice mode and create copyables of challenging sections to hone your skills. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your rhythm and concentration high throughout the entire level, especially during the last 20% to achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.